Let's look at the example 11. Given the cost function Cx is equal to 50 plus 10x minus 0.1 x squared. Find A, the fixed cost, B, the average cost. Okay, let's look at the question A. Find the fixed cost. Okay, as we know, the fixed cost is when the x is equal to 0. So, given that the cost function is this, so we just substitute the x with 0 to get the fixed cost. Okay, when we substitute x equal to 0, you will get the answer 50. So, we can write the conclusion. The fixed cost is Rm 50. Okay. We continue with part B, the average cost. The formula for average cost is C bar x is equal to Cx divided by x. So we can use our function of Cx divided by the x. So after simplify, we will get the answer equal to negative 0.1 x plus 10 plus 50 over x. So there's a fixed cost. We continue for part C. C bar 12 and interpret. The question asks us to find the average cost function when x equal to 12 and interpret. Okay, now first of all, let's find the C bar 12 first. So we just substitute 12 into our average cost function that we get before this at part B. So after we substitute 12 into our average cost function, we will get a final answer equal to 12.967. Okay, now we can interpret our answer like this. At a production level of 12 units, the average cost of producing a unit of product is Rm 12.97. Okay, the same thing for part D. The question asks us to find the average cost function when x equal to 10. So the same thing, we just substitute the 10 into our average cost function. Okay, so we will get negative 0.1 multiplied with 10 plus 50 over 10. We just substitute 10 into our x. Okay, after we simplify, we will get equal to 14. So now we're going to interpret our answer. At a production level of 10 units, the average cost of producing a unit of product is Rm 14. We continue for the part E. Find the marginal cost function. So the formula for marginal cost function is equal to differentiate of the cost function with respect to x. Okay, so we just take the cost function and differentiate it with respect to x. So we'll get our C prime x is equal to 10 minus 0.2x. Okay, so this is our marginal cost function. For part F, the question asks us to find the C prime 12 and interpret. Okay, so before this, we already get the marginal cost function. Okay, so this is our marginal cost function, 10 minus 0.2x. Okay, we just substitute 12 into the x. Okay, we just substitute 12. So you'll get 10 minus 0.2 multiplied by 12. Okay, after simplify, you will get the answer equal to 7.6. Okay, now the question asks us to interpret. We can interpret like this. At the production level of 12 units, the production cost is increasing at a rate of 7.6 unit per unit product. Or we can interpret like this. At the production level of 12 units, the cost of producing the 13 unit of product is Rm 7.6. So this is for the example 11 about the cost function.